The Wounds Australia Queensland Committee attempts to put on 4 education events a year. 3 of these are in southeast Queensland and 1 is held in a regional centre. And this one that we've actually got coming up in June is hands-on. So I love the one that's coming up in June. I think it's the most fun of all of them because it's all workshops. There's no PowerPoints, no keynote speakers, nobody standing there talking at you. You know, come with your comfortable clothing on because you're going to be wrapping legs if you get into the compression workshop. You're going to be whacking ultrasound gel on people and listening to Doppler sounds and working out what they mean if you're in the neurovascular workshop. If you're in want to do the dressings one, there's going to be so many dressings to open up the packs, get them wet, feel them. If you work in aged care, you might want to consider the donning and doffing one. It's got skincare in there as well, but there's a lot of tips in there about things you can do to make your life easier. I'd certainly recommend going. If you've got the skill, it's a refresher. If you don't have the skill, like for example compression, it's an introduction, and it's just generally a fun night. Hope to see you there.